Welcome to this guide. In the next couple of minutes, I'll share everything you need to know about the Provider Finder by Pharmacy Orders, a tool designed to make accessing healthcare providers simple, fast, and reliable. Pharmacy Orders developed the Provider Finder to give people one central place where they can quickly search for trusted healthcare professionals. Instead of wasting time scrolling through endless lists or uncertain websites, the Provider Finder makes the process clear and convenient. Here's how to use it. First, visit the Pharmacy Orders website. On the homepage, you'll see a menu with different options. Look for the section labelled Provider Finder. Click on it and you'll be taken to the main search page. From there, you can enter basic details like your location, the type of healthcare service you need, or even the provider's name if you already know it. The tool then generates a list of verified providers who match your needs. Each listing includes important details such as the provider's name, specialty, contact information, and in many cases, patient reviews or availability. This means you can make an informed choice without feeling uncertain. One of the best features of the Provider Finder is that it's regularly updated. You're not looking at outdated or incomplete information. It's kept current so you always have the most accurate details at your fingertips. The tool is also beginner-friendly. It doesn't require advanced knowledge or complicated steps. In just a few clicks, you'll have access to reliable providers whether you're looking for a pharmacist, a specialist, or general healthcare support. Another key benefit is trust. Since the Provider Finder is managed directly by Pharmacy Orders, you know the information comes from a secure and reputable source. That makes it more dependable than random online searches. To recap, simply go to the Pharmacy Orders website, click on Provider Finder, enter your details, and browse through verified listings. It's a quick, reliable way to connect with the right healthcare professional for your needs. That's everything you need to know about the Provider Finder by Pharmacy Orders. Take a moment to try it today and discover how easy it can be to find trusted providers when you need them most.